Hi guys, it's me, it's Mr. Salazar, and I'm here to do a presentation on Sway. Now, when I met with you guys last Friday, what I went over was ClassLink and Thrive. I didn't have time to go over Sway, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick overview on Sway. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to Laredo ISD to go to the website. You're gonna click where it says Webmail and then Web Login. Now, since I'm already logged in, okay. It's going to be showing my email. So here, what you do is if you look on the top left corner where it says Office 365, to the left of that you have the app launcher right here. You're going to click on the app launcher, and then you're going to scroll down. On mine, I don't know if yours might look a little bit different, but you're going to find one that's green and white called Sway. Now, Sway is what it is. Sway, it's like a PowerPoint, but like a fancier PowerPoint. It's way more, has the graphics are way better. It's more smooth, it's more slick, and I think it's more easy on the eye. And I think it's something that you're able to find it easier than PowerPoint. Now, how does Sway work? Like I said, it's a presentation tool by Microsoft, and what you do is you click on Create New. And what you get is first you get like this rectangular page or square, and then it's going to ask you what's your title of your Sway. What I'm going to do, I'm going to call mine Kristen. Oops, sorry, I have the caps on. Kristen Middle School. Okay. Now that's just the title of my presentation. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click where it says background. Okay. Now you can get something off your desktop if you like, and just drag it and drop it here. Or you can also do a search either here, which will be on the far right where the cursor is at, and you can search the internet, or you can click where it says animals. Well, you know what we Christian Middle School are? We're Cubs, so I'm going to click on animals. And boom, by happenstance, first thing that comes out are Cubs, which is pretty cool. So all you need to do is you find the one that you want, drag, and drop. There you go. Now you have the title and you have your image. On top is the storyline. It's what you're creating. If you click on this sign, this is what it looks like. Christian Middle School, and then you have that. Now, let's say for example you want to add more to it. There's a insert content, which is a green circle with a white cross. You're gonna click here. You're gonna click on text. Now, what is Christian Middle School? Well, let's come up with a little history here. We could put history, and then boom. Then you know what? Let's do bullet points. So this is not going to be in bullet points. The history part is in caps. Let's do bullet points, and let's say, for example, let's put it is a public school. That services students from 8th grade, no, from 6th grade to 8th grade. It is located in West Laredo, Texas. I don't know, just make that up. So, what does it look like? You get it back to the sign. Christian Middle School comes out. It's the history will be it's a public school that services students from 6th grade to 8th grade, and it's located in West Laredo in Laredo, Texas. Now, what I like about Sway, like I was saying, it's like a PowerPoint presentation, but a little bit more fancy. I like the fact that you're able to do a lot of things, and it's way more streamlined. PowerPoint is, it's been like we've had PowerPoint for a while, so it's not as nice in the sense that you can still write. It's very easy to use. I mean, I'll give PowerPoint that's very easy to use, very user friendly. Anybody can run with it. But if you try to get a little bit more complicated, try to add a little bit more animation and graphics, it can get a little bit more like it's not as user friendly, a little bit more clunky. And I think this one is a little bit more suited, especially for those teachers who have iPad cards or who have computer labs. This will make it way easier for you to use, in my opinion. Okay. Now, what else can you do with this besides just creating like text and headings and inserting images. You go back to the insert content, which is a green circle with a white cross. You click there. And let's say, for example, you want to add something a little bit different. Let's say you want to add heading, which will create a new card. You have another rectangular card. You want to do something like maybe students, for example. Just search for students. I found this one right here. Drop and drag. Drag and drop, I'm sorry. Then you're going to put here everyday, or put just students, middle school students or something like that. Middle school students. And then, for example, let's say, for example, you want to add some text. Let's, for example, we'll put here, we service every student. No. We could put we have a diverse student population. I think that sounds better. And then let's do bullet points, and then we're going to put the next one. Let's say, for example, you want to link something there. You know what? We're going to try to find something on YouTube. Let's say, for example, we'll put middle school. Let's see what comes out when it comes to middle school. Not I missed middle school. Non-middle school fights. We have too many of those as it is. So we right here, let's keep it dissing. We don't want anybody kissing either. Let's pick this one. First day of middle school after 2 years in homeschool. Go back to your sway, and then you're gonna put here first day of school, and then put in the web link. Click OK, and then go to design, and then you're gonna click first day of school. So wow, actually that's actually pretty cool. So then you get to see what it looks like. And by me moving the mouse, it actually is going to move it and put it like towards the middle. You go back to storyline, and then here you decide, I want to link something else to it, another video. I mean, you want to, like this for any content area, language arts, science, math, social studies. You want to link Khan Academy videos, anything that you find on YouTube, any tutorials, you can do this. You go back to the add content button, and you can put headings, text, images. Stacks, I didn't mess around too much with it. But you're able to do pretty much anything that you want with it. Just maybe a bunch of slides that you want kids to look at and write a writing prompt on. You can do that. I find it that it's very easy to use, and I think it would be in a very effective presentation that you could use with your kids in class. Now, if you have any questions, let me know. You can contact me at extension 6421, or my email is fjsalazar@loretorc.org. Or you have any questions when you see me down the hallway, you can ask me, and I will be able to help you guys out. I hope that you enjoyed. Like I said, if you do need to get in touch with me, and you have any question on this that you decide that you're going to use, hey, I'm more than welcome to help you out, and I hope that you enjoy this presentation. Thank you.